Hey quilty friends, so today, thanks to a little blooper that we might have on another video, I broke my needle working on another video. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace a needle on a Bernina 475 if you happen to have one. So Ellie's going to assist me today with that. So with this, as you go to take it out, always hold on to the needle. And the reason why is because if it accidentally slips out and goes into the machine, it can cause all kind of damage and be a pain to get out. So you want to just go ahead and hold on to it first. So do that, take it out. As you can see, that's where I broke it. There's the other piece down here. And then on the needle, you have a curved edge and you have a flat edge. So on these machines and most machines, the flat edge will go to the back on the new needle. So here's the new one. So what we're gonna do is I put it in at an angle, go back there, push it up, and twist it in there, and you're done. Quick and easy. Thanks for tuning in.